What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Obviously, we have to talk about the major correction that has pretty much taken place on every cryptocurrency except for XRP, surprisingly. The one trade we have yet to get stopped out of, unlike Bitcoin. But as you guys can see on XRP, we've managed to consolidate all the way back down, just barely hanging on by a thread, our bottom support right here, just holding on. You know, there's a very big chance if this breaks here, we're going to drop to the downside here, but everything kind of, falls back on how is the S&P 500 going to open on Monday. If we open well and we kind of acclimate back to the upside here and start trending like this, there's a very big chance these cryptos are going to start to correct back to the upside here too. But we don't look too bad right now on XRP. We've actually managed to hold back on bottom support. I do want to talk about the fact that we thought we were going to continue to head upwards. We knew we were going to correct lower. I didn't think we'd continue to correct lower, but that could have been manipulated by the S&P and Jerome Powell's meeting saying that they're going to continue to raise interest rates. Lots of people thought they would lower interest rates or slow down on interest rates, but it appears they're not going to. Lots of people thought, well, with inflation going from 9.1 or something, 9.3 down to 8.5 or 8.3, a lot of people thought, oh, okay, we're heading in the right direction. We can stop and slow down and we're recovering. And then Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve was like, yeah, we're going to still keep jacking up interest rates. And people got a little worried. Supposedly that's what happened, and we fell really hard on the S&P 500 on Friday here, and that's influenced things like Bitcoin to continue to drop lower and things like Ethereum and XRP kind of. But unfortunately, though, we have discovered patterns on Ethereum that will also be applied to Bitcoin here, which is good news. This will help us gauge what's to go on. And I do believe this is probably the lowest point. I don't think we're going to continue to scale lower just yet to like 1,300 on Ethereum. I believe we'll probably do something like this where we kind of hedge upwards and then maybe fill this gap in, hit support, and then we might break bullish. This is literally the opposite of what we had forming originally. We had a big ascending fractal here, and here we have a descending fractal. So we'll see how exactly this continues to move. But with that all being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. Quickly, before we dive into today's video, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a second channel. This is my finance channel. The one you're currently watching is my crypto channel. This is my finance one I just started. We're at 733 subs. We're trying to crack the algorithm here. I'm trying to apply everything that I've learned in 5 years of YouTube to see if I can crack the YouTube algorithm, and I've made some progress. I mean, we're getting like 500 plus views on every video, and the most recent one I dropped got 3,300 views, which is kind of in line with this channel, which is incredible for a 700 subscriber channel here. And the next video we're going to drop is going to be pretty epic too, tomorrow morning 6 a.m. so stay tuned for that. But yeah, definitely make sure to go check this out. Watch the Fed video that I just dropped, the previous one, and tomorrow morning we'll have another one, so I'm quite excited to do that, and I have a few in the works here that are definitely quite interesting, so stay tuned. But moving forward here, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies are continuing to scale lower. More of a consolidation day today, but we definitely got hit hard. You can see most everything is down 4 to 8%, even higher, 10%. Ethereum's down 9, Bitcoin's down 7, so on and so forth as we scale lower. But we are consolidating today where most everything is not really up or down, to say the least here. But as you guys can see, jumping to XRP here, this is quite exciting. XRP really didn't get hit that hard, unlike these other cryptos here. You can see maybe, and I mean maybe, we can maybe scale some sort of downtrend here. I don't think it's that accurate. It's definitely a possibility, and I'll leave it here for right now. But we'll see how this goes. There's a good chance this will double bottom, and I'm hoping that's what happens here. We break through it and start to head back up. But everything really falls on how we react with the S&P 500. With the S&P 500 correcting lower here, and I was actually shocked of the drop that we had here. We knew, and we all said that we were expecting to correct downwards. We're expecting to fall to this support, if not lower to this support, not below it. I was shocked we fell below it here, but this is short term. There's a very big chance we could either A, head back up tomorrow, or we're going to continue the wreckage and actually pull down to 3,900, which again would not be bad in the slightest here. We're still at a bullish cross on the green band, or green and red bands here on the moving averages on the S&P on the daily, so I'm not worried in that sense. But this correction was necessary, very planned for, called for, and expected. This, not so much. People thought we were going to rebound off here, just like I thought. Not many people expected a correction lower here. But regardless, we hit top resistance, we bottomed off, we fell, and now we fell a little bit lower. But it's still, we're in good standing though, because this is trending at 43 on the RSI, just like where we are right now. This is 43. Last time we were at 43 was over here. The prices were this level. This was 43 on the RSI, and here we are again at 43 on the RSI. And again, you can see the potential here. The next rally that we had, if we continue that rally again, this is the potential for us to hit 4,600 points, which is huge. And I strongly believe something like that is in the works and going to happen here. So it is just going to call for some consolidation. The only worry now that I have is because we broke through this, are we going to fall lower? That's the big worry here. But even if we do, it's going to send us into oversold, which is totally fine. And then we'll be able to move up even higher. You can see the last time we were oversold, prices were here. And oversold again would be probably here, if not maybe even like in this level here. We might even be here, might be oversold. And then you can see once again the potential for an oversold run to the upside. If we take this and move this to here, could easily swing us up even higher, like almost 4,700 points. So it's quite exciting to see the possibility. And I believe this, and why am I talking about this? A lot of you guys might be wondering. Well, this influences, indirectly or directly influences these cryptocurrencies. Now, XRP, again, we have yet to get stopped out, which is exciting here, but we are very close to that actually happening. We do have this descending fractal. We'll see if this continues to play out here. We could break downwards here, but again, I believe this might be the lowest point, so we could see something like this. These are descending fractals that end up bullish. These are ascending fractals that end up bearish, as you can see here. So another drop might lead us to a recovery run to the upside here. The same thing applies itself with Ethereum. Now, before I talk about Ethereum, I want to look at Bitcoin here, and you can kind of see the same pattern kind of arising here. We have a downtrend. We have a support. You can see exactly what's good now. We have a descending fractal just like this. So once again, the ascending fractal launched us to the upside here, and then we broke down. Now we have the opposite. Break down to swing up. We're also retesting, once again, oversold, which is exciting. Being retesting oversold, there's a chance that by the end of this week we could correct, or the start of this week, we could correct to the lowest point, which I think would be 19K. And this is support. A lot of people are thinking 20K is support. It is a little bit, but that's not the real strong one that we're looking for. This is support right here, 19.1. Just like where we had 3 retests before on this triple bottom, that's where we could retest again. And then I believe we would see a break to the upside here, which also you could see ends the descending fractal. So this is where we're looking for. We did get stopped out here, which is unfortunate, but there's a good chance we could continue down and then see a run to the upside here. If you didn't already take profits, this is where you'd probably most likely get stopped out on our trades. But correcting down to here, I would expect to see a rally to the upside here. So let this play out. There's no reason to jump into trades right now on any of these. If you already have trades open, let them play out. But the next time to be buying in, obviously we'll update you guys on Patreon, but the next time to be buying in has to be once these play out a little bit more. These need to come down to retest this. Then we'll have a decision. Are we going to break through it, or are we going to break above it? And then we can either buy in long or short. And obviously doing so on Bityard, the #1 cryptocurrency website and exchange that we like to use here on the channel. Unlike other exchanges here, Bityard actually offers a ton of mainstream cryptos, like blue chip cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, ones that have been around for years. They also offer innovative cryptos, which are all the altcoins, cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu, Theta, Sushi Swap. We even have, Doge, as well as Shiba Inu, like I said before, Litecoin, stuff like that. So you can check these all out. Very, very, very nice that this website offers that. Not many do. Link in the description. And also what's even cooler is the functions of the website. Normally, most exchanges don't have a demo account. And when they do, if you click demo, it completely changes the whole layout of the website. Bityard doesn't do that. What's cool is it gives you $100,000 in free tradable monopoly money, not real money, just to get simulated money to get used to the website here and make these trades. So if you're uncomfortable trading, which I strongly suggest trying first because it's free and there's no risk. If we see, okay, we're hitting this and we close above, we just close slightly above the daily, 19.7. We know good chance we're going to see a rally. Instead of buying along with real money right at this level here, use monopoly money. Buy in with a long position using the demo account and test your skills. If you do some profitable trades consistently, there's a good chance you'll do one with real money consistently. So then you click buy long, type in the amount of margin, so on and so forth. The other really cool thing is if you use the link down in the description and click mystery box here, you'll actually be able to earn some free cryptocurrency, which is also super cool. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.